Excellent.
There we go. I'm not going to mess with that. And we're live. Hello. How are you?
Very good, thanks. How you doing, JJ?
Good. Who are you?
I'm Adam Roberts. I used to work quite a lot in Tekton. I'm an ambassador for cd.foundation, and I like to do cool things with Tekton, Jenkins X, and other kind of, cloud native projects to do CI/CD. Who are you, though?
Yes, hi. I'm JJ. JJ Asgar. I'm a developer advocate for the IBM Cloud, and I'm helping run this little stream for us because of the amount of streaming I've been doing for other stuff. And I'm helping out with the Tekton docs and basically user experience in essence, trying to get people to realize the power of Tekton and things like that. But we are actually at the CD Foundation stream. So Adam, how about you give a kind of quick little rundown of what the goal of this stream, not this specific stream, but what our actual stream is, because we've started to get some unique views. I want to make sure everyone understands why we're here and what we're doing.
Yeah, so essentially at cd.foundation, there's kind of, 4 essential projects that are supposed to be quite good and quite useful for doing continuous integration and continuous delivery. And it's basically Jenkins X, Jenkins, Tekton, and Spinnaker. And the idea is we're going to try these projects out. I know a little bit about Tekton already, but we're going to try and show some cool things to basically the wider world. And if you find any issues, document them or fix them, upstream them, and make sure things run smoothly. So I've done quite a few on Tekton already. I think going forward, we may try Jenkins X out. And, user interaction is encouraged. If you've got any cool ideas, hit us up on the Twitch chat. You can join the CD Foundation Slack, or just, find us on, I guess, LinkedIn or Twitter. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, awesome. And today is, as Adam maybe implied or explicitly said, it's going to be one of our last times on actual Tekton, because we found some interesting issues a couple weeks ago. We're doing this about every other week just to make sure that, we also have day jobs. But we are going to go through a happy path of the triggers narrative, because honestly, we had a hard time last time. It wasn't just like drop in and go. It could have been due to some of our cloud or IBM Cloud nuances, I guess is a good word for it, maybe. I don't know. Sure, let's go with nuances. But we are going to walk through it and also upstream the changes that we saw from the documentation.
Yep.
And then yeah, hopefully that'll be just kind of a simple goal for us today. We want to pay it back, as they say, to make sure that future people who go down this path, because honestly, if you're using Tekton, there's a very strong possibility you want GitHub triggers to work to be able to make the things happen. And this is only one of the different ways we do it. But this seems to be the de facto way. Is that a good way of saying it, or no?
Yeah, I would say so. I think the first thing you're going to do is read the triggers README and go through a getting started guide. And when we did it 2 weeks ago, we did a lot of things and basically it didn't work. And we spent maybe an hour or so debugging it. So if we can just do 10 minutes where we just run it from scratch, but we do the right things first, and if there are any gaps, get them to a pull request, and then kind of wrap things up, that'd be amazing. I say 10 minutes. There's a law somewhere that says, when you estimate something, times that by 2 for the real duration. It's probably going to be 20 minutes. So not if that's the real law, but I've heard it somewhere. So why don't we give the main triggers getting started a try? Let's try and get webhooks working again. But remember, last time we did this, JJ, you had to set the ingress secret, didn't you?
That was the linchpin of getting the thing to actually talk to it.
And as Andrew said, we need to base64 encode the secrets, don't we?
Yes. Already I do want to mention, because this is a good opportunity to capture this. As you saw, I scrolled through this whole README looking for getting started. And it's actually at the very bottom, like want to start using Tekton triggers, and it's one link here. So that's already a little weird. I'm not going to lie. I want to start using this. Oh, I have to read all of this stuff that I don't understand.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we do split screen? Why don't you do your notes on the right? We do terminal on the left, And basically, we're going to write down things we need to fix in one window as we do them on the other. So I think we need to do items,
So,
delete the existing webhook because I think we've already got one working. And yeah, let's just get out.
triggers dot notes. Notes. I can't type because everyone's watching me. I can't type. I'm sorry. Okay, first thing first. Move the getting started to a more prominent location. Okay. And then because obviously, like, I mean, it's also kind of weird to have the background here. Like, I don't know. Is that right? Like it feels like if I'm coming in from the outside world and I'm like, okay, so I got Tekton up and running, sweet. I even have like what is it? That thing, Kaneko working. That I'm pushing my containers and everything's great, but now I want the automation of it. So I'm going to use triggers. First thing I come to. Okay, that's important to know. That's important. What? Like, I want to use it. Like, why do I need to know this? So maybe that's worth capturing too. So, okay. So getting started. And just to prove, okay, get TR. I believe I actually still have them in there. Yes.
Yeah.
So we actually need to
trash in the bin. Get rid.
Do you mind just taking care of that real quick while I get this going?
Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna do. So basically, get TR. These are. Let's see. We've got different CRDs that come with triggers. So we've got get trigger template. I've also got get trigger binding. Obviously, K is basically kubectl. So let's see. We've also
should we do the reverse of the configure cluster here, the installation? Would that be a better way of doing it?
Cluster. What's the reverse of configure cluster?
Well, yeah, it would be like K delete, right? Dash F the file.
Yep.
So K delete dash F docs.
The other thing is sometimes it's very dangerous when you do this in case you include a namespace reference and it deletes the entire namespace. So what's in our namespace? Anything juicy? If I do K get secret, do you want to keep any of these, JJ? I quite like that one secret personally.
Yeah, that's true. Well, it gets created for us though, if I remember correctly, right? As soon as we get it configured correctly, the webhook secret and all that, all the webhooks actually kick off and tell GitHub to do the thing, if I remember correctly.
Why don't we delete the entire namespace then?
That seems like a reasonable thing to do.
Well, that's just so crazy.
Yeah. I mean, this is a dev environment, right? So if it breaks, it's not a big deal.
Asset goes in the bin.
All right.
Where we go.
Delete NS, and this is what do we call it?
Really? Orcs? Using the orcs one?
Yeah. Tekton pipelines. No, we don't want to delete that.
No, because where did we do webhooks? Did we do webhooks in their namespace? I think we did.
Yeah.
So anything 30 days old goes in the bin, I say. So it means webhook secret can go.
You can go ahead and type. I trust you.
Okie doke. So let's do webhook secret. Remember we did kget.tr earlier? As a reminder, that's kget task run. So we're going to delete all those task runs. And we do have tasks for creating ingresses and webhooks, by the way. Have we got any pipeline runs? kget.pr. We do. Let's delete all of them. And have we got any tasks? We got plenty. Tell you what, JJ, this probably won't be changing. What about we keep these tasks?
Yeah, because we need to create the ingress and the webhook, and we know those are configured correctly now. Though I'd be interested if you do a get diff on this repo real quick to see the changes we've made, because it'd probably be a good idea to see what we've done.
Yep. So we've changed the external domain when we create the ingress to use this one, and we got that value, I believe. One sec. From if I do kget ingress and if I do a get diff.
Remember we had to pull the ingress from the IBM Cloud CLI command. It's like get IBM Cloud KS cluster get cluster name.
So if okay. So I could, if I had IBM CR,
IBM Cloud. Yeah, it's all just one. Yeah.
Did I just see a ghost of the correct command to do? No. Do you want to take
yeah, I got it. I got it. Here you go.
So this is your IBM Cloud. Main point to our notes when we do this.
Cluster. I can't type.
This is for finding
get
ingress.
Cluster KDS Labs. There we go. So this is our ingress subdomain. But this is unique to the IBM Cloud, though, right? Other clouds wouldn't have this. They would assume that you would find it somewhere else. No.
But I think most clouds have their own specific way of doing it, but people will need to figure it out basically. You know, whether you're on Google Cloud or Azure or AWS, there's probably like, you know, a canonical way of getting your external IP address, right? So we can say on IBM Cloud, there's this, but you know, your cloud experience may vary. Maybe it's DigitalOcean or Heroku, and they've got their own little CLI.
External IP for the web. Yeah, if I remember correctly, that is actually not mentioned at all in this thing. And also because, as we saw earlier, the way we changed it, we just take the default stuff, right? Like create the webhook right here. We'd have to actually add it in the configure cluster to be like, hey, so this is configure cluster, and this is main readme. Okay, what else?
Right, next thing is there's an ingress secret that's being spewed out from your console output. Do we need to take a note of that secret, or is that a reference to the secret? Is that a reference, or is it the actual value?
So I learned between our streams that it turns out because of the way get secrets because it's an opaque secret is, correct me if I'm wrong, it's cluster wide. So all we have to do is reference it because it's in every single namespace already. Or is that wrong? I
got no idea. Let's look it up. Should we get the official Kubernetes secret docs up?
All right.
I find it hard to believe webhook search is also in every namespace. Oh, the triggers one is every namespace either.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
It just means the contents are like visible.
No.
Let's have a look.
No, hang on. Get secret. No, it's behind by namespace, isn't it? Oh, YAML. If you want to steal the secret live, camera people, you're more than welcome to. Just be sure to make sure that that is capital EZ.
Oh, yeah.
You just got to make sure. Got to make sure. It's not going to work unless you do that.
No, I gotta go. There'll be a botnet running Tekton, DDoSing people.
Yeah, right. Yeah. So yeah, it is bound by namespace. So you do have to export it and then import it. Then who would? Somebody lied to me then. I swear. Yes.
So okay, so we need to make a note of the secret name or the secret value.
Yep. Figure cluster. Make note of secret name from above step.
Okay.
And export the secret to a YAML file. YAML. Then edit namespace line to namespace and import secret back.
So that's just essentially copying it from one namespace to another, right?
In essence, but there is no like copy command. You have to export it out as a YAML file, then you've got to edit this namespace and then re-import it.
Bit fiddly. Okay, so we've got that secret in the namespace we plan to use it in. We know our ingress route now, don't we? So we've also got the cluster role and binding from last week, I think. So if I were to do kget.
Nope, sorry.
Oh, if I were to do, take me over. Okay. Kget CR for cluster role. Oh, well, that'd be nice. So kget cluster role. What's it supposed to be called, JJ? Do you remember? We're doing it on triggers. triggers admin. Maybe it's a normal role. If I do get role, and again grep triggers. Okay, these two look familiar. Tekton triggers.
The create webhook. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got that cluster role already. And is there a binding as well? So if I do get role binding, pipe get triggers. Okay, so we've got create webhook, role, and binding. Do we have to change anything to make that work? If I do a get diff.
I don't think so.
So this is where we've got the root. Oh, we changed the service name, but that was actually like made things a bit difficult for us, remember? Because the names, we changed the namespace, that also made it quite difficult.
Yeah, it's because we were trying to be cute.
We were trying to
not put using
it bit us in the bottom, so
it's a good way to describe it.
Yep. So so we took out that. We changed the pipeline image URL.
That's actually put inside the docs right here.
Yep, that's already documented. That's the replace me bit. Now, what else did we do? Let's see. Webhook run. We changed all the GitHub coordinates to point to your repo.
Right here. That is actually put in here.
Oh yeah,
wasn't it? I believe it was. Here we go. Ingress run to a file to adjust the settings, and I believe that was what that is. Scroll back up. No, that's webhook run. What the hell is webhook run?
If you do a search on that page, JJ, you just there we go. Update webhook task run at the bottom. Now let's update the GitHub task run.
Yep, there we go.
Okay, cool. So that's done as well. That's good. We can leave that as it is. And then we put in the external domain in there as well. Is that a fourth field actually in the update webhook task run?
Yes, good eye. Good eye, sir.
Just say these update the minimum, but hello, your external domain probably won't be demo.iancoffee.com. So I think we
That's
change
right.
that as well.
Hook. I can't type. Task run.
Right, done. Now
add the value of external domain as a minimal update.
Ross, it's time for the fun part now. Now we need to basically go and delete the webhook in not Jenkins, in GitHub.
Yep.
And the event listener will still have the trigger inside of it. So we may want to just delete the event listener as well.
All right, so I'm deleting the webhook on the public GitHub.
If you delete that through there, yeah. So I don't think there's a delete webhook. Tell you what, JJ, before you do that, go back to the main README. Is there a way to trash your environment, basically? So the ingress
delete says delete the namespace, but we don't want to delete the namespace because it's a tekton pipeline.
I like this namespace. So if you open the ingress task up, I remember doing a PR ages ago where I did a delete. I did a mode on the creation of the ingress. Is there a mode on this resource? So someone could just do k apply task run to delete the webhook. They have removed from the event listener as well. I'm just wondering. Otherwise, we've got to delete the event listener, I think, or manually, manually remove the trigger bit, which may be a little bit awkward to do.
Okay.
I don't think the docs help us with that, do they?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
That doesn't even mention. And also, my one pass isn't working. That's annoying.
Yeah. Well, while you do that, I'm going to tell people what I mean. So the trigger references go into this event listener object. So if I do kget event listener -o YAML, you'll see if I pipe it to a little file, I'm just going to do my listener.yaml, and let's just do more on that. I'm going to take you through what it does. There's a normal Kubernetes fields, and then there's basically, I'm expecting a triggers section. So we're going all the way down. Here we go. So we do get it started pipeline binding, and when that's kind of, activated somehow, the thing it will run is the trigger template, and that's using the address here, the internally available address of the event listener itself, which we basically have a route that points to this. Now, what I'm trying to say is when we delete the webhook in GitHub, that won't automatically have a callback to our cluster. One, because there's no two-way communication. Well, there is, but in most setups there may not be. It's like when you change it over here, it changes it, let's say over there when you do a new task run. But if you just use the UI and delete that webhook, this will stay the same. So we can delete the entire event listener, or we can do a little bit of surgery. We can basically, cut out that little bit of the trigger from the event listener, and that's actually quite awkward to do.
Yes, we're doing a happy path, right? We're updating the doc to be the best way to do it. So we want the least awkward, the most straightforward, because I want to be able to put this in front of my 5-year-old daughter, assuming she can read, and she can make this happen.
Yeah, well, I do as well. So who creates the event listener?
You have a 5-year-old daughter too?
No. I said I hope that she reads. So we need to, what does the doc say? Does it say manually delete the...
It doesn't say install the event listener. It actually sends us to another page where the event listener is put inside of the triggers.yaml.
So it's in the docs getting started, and then is there a triggers.yaml? There is, isn't there? So,
and that is where we set up the event listener to accept and process the push events.
That's where we create it here. I see. Right. How lovely. Now, what I could probably do is copy get it started triggers.yaml and just call it triggers noel.yaml. And what I could then do, if I wanted to, is take out the little bit on triggers and then apply this YAML, and I then have the same event listener with no triggers anymore. But what's in that file though? So if I do like a cat on that, is this like...
But this isn't a way that we'd want someone to do it though, right? Like that seems a little bit of a smell saying, hey, you need a copy of this file, and then I've removed these. Like that seems a little weird.
Yeah, but I don't think there's an existing delete trigger from event listener task somewhere.
Okay.
So that's kind of like let's put in our notes. We put side thought. It'd be nice to be able to delete a name trigger from the event listener without having to edit the event listener manually.
Delete.
Ain't nobody got time to edit YAML and reapply YAML or edit the event listener through kubectl edit. Yeah, the event listener is trigger. So let's say by name, I guess, if that is even unique.
We should probably just put that as an issue. We can put this as an issue saying, hey, it seems like a usability thing that should exist.
I agree. Okay, so what's in this file? Is it safe for me to do a kube delete -f, that file?
Yes, but don't you want to edit the other one first and then diff them to make sure we haven't missed something? Right?
What other one?
So you made that other YAML file, right? The if you go to docs.
I think I up on that. I think I thought it was a good idea at the time.
Oh, okay. So we're throwing things back and forth pretty quickly here. So I thought you did. My bad.
No, I thought it wasn't a good idea because I don't really want to tell people copy the YAML and then edit the YAML and then apply the YAML. You'd basically change my mind. I was like, no. So
all right, well then, a kube apply or kube delete -f docs.
Yep. There we go. Oh, I've got a bad feeling about this, JJ.
It's all right. We can always run it again.
Okay, that's good. I only deleted those 3, not the namespace. Cool. So now I'm going to do a. Oh no, let's type it in. Guess.
Oh yeah, I use the VI bindings on that thing.
Right. So we've ran everything, and what did that even do? That created the trigger template, the pipeline binding, and the event listener. It didn't create the webhook though, did it, JJ?
Correct. The webhook is actually no, it did not, because there is a create webhook YAML.
Yeah. Now we've already got the task, don't we? So that's sorted. We've updated the ingress task run already, so that's probably sorted. And then run the ingress task. Shall we do that next? In fact, we'll do the opposite. Why don't we delete? Did that create an ingress? We may already have one that it made. Okay, look, see, this is from last week. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to do delete, getting started, and then create ingress.yaml. Yes.
So if you go get ingress again, that
Yep.
should. Oh,
Please. What are you?
where did you? Yeah, where did you come from?
Oh, so is that the task? I think I deleted the task. Can you scroll up for me, please, JJ?
Yep.
I was wondering if that deleted the task itself. Yeah, that deleted tekton task, create ingress deleted. Fine. Do I need to do the opposite of the delete run or just delete the run?
No, delete the run.
Yeah, we'll just delete the. How do you do it? It's just delete the ingress.
Yeah.
We'll do k delete ingress --o. It's the one we've got, so we should now be kind of fresh.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, why don't we give that a try? We're going to apply docs getting started, and then ingress run.yaml, and that creates a new task run. Task run resolution failed. Oh no, what's this? Urban listing task. Oh yeah, because we deleted the task accidentally. So we do need this.
Create ingress.
Yeah. So if I do docs getting started, create ingress, we should have our lovely tasks back. And
Now, do you need to delete the run again?
Yeah, I'm going to.
To be able to rerun that? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I like to keep it clean and one at a time. So it was.
I just rm/rf the whole thing anyway. So yeah, screw it.
Yeah.
Try again.
So kick off the run. Hopefully it doesn't error again. Couldn't get task.
Couldn't get task. What the hell does that mean?
Let's see. Kscribe tr maybe. Maybe that tells us. Okay, what's this?
But no webhook secret. Oh, because we haven't done it. We haven't created it. That makes sense.
Oh, yeah. So do you want to... How did we create it last week? Maybe it's in our diff. If I just do a get diff over here. Get status maybe.
Webhooks TLS secret.
Hey, these three look promising.
Yeah.
Could be either don't look at me, the real secret, or TLS secret.yaml.
Let's go with the real secret. I'm going to just cut that one quick.
Okay.
It's fine. Oh, did I delete it? I think I deleted the thing. So if you cat it, it's not going to be valid. Go ahead and, yeah. Oh, there we go. And it's not base 64. Or no.
Is this the bad one or the good one? What's in the others? Can I show people? Don't look at me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, what's this?
Ooh, this is the other secret.
This looks like an out exported YAML of the real thing.
Then what's that TLS secret?
Yeah.
What's the TLS secret?
So docs getting started. TLS secret. Who are you?
Same thing.
Right. So do we think the first one was maybe the right one?
The correct one. Yes.
Okay. Why don't we apply that then? It's for a bit of fun.
Don't think it's valid anymore, but okay.
Okay. How do we create the new one then?
So let me pull this over here. GitHub.com. Secret tokens. Personal, create new token, and this is, we need to add this as a, so we need to actually put this in the docs here, right? So we need to say inside, well, this would be, you'd probably want to do this when you change all those, set up event listener to accept push all of events. Where is it? Do you change all that stuff? Here we go. Webhook task. So would we want it? We would actually want it up here in like configure, wouldn't we, to create this cluster? I think so. Okay, so configure the cluster, create a webhook secret. That would be this guy.
Yep.
Mention, oops.
It's basically for encoded token, and the secret is just basically for encoded anything, I think.
I think so. I think that's right. Mention it's a copy.
Yeah. I mean, if you basically for decode that secret, not the token, the secret, what if it's just like foo or something?
64. Open. There we go. So it's, what is it? Damn it. What is the decode? Hang on.
You can just do echo the value pipe base64 -- decode. Yep. But with real secret, obviously. Not the token, the secret.
Oh, not the token. Okay,
Yeah.
bad.
So the BW9er, that thingy.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's my random word. Excellent. Moreover. So that is basically foo. So let's go and put foo in into our to-dos. Because we don't tell people to encode it. Or not so we tell people that the secret is just foo. I don't think we do, at least.
Yep. Copy this for later. There we go. All right. And then I also believe we should totally put this little secret YAML in the doc so people see exactly what they need to add to do the webhook secret.
What's in there already? I'm sure there's something called webhook secret.
I don't think there is.
I think there is. It's just not encoded. Does that say AG?
Yeah, it's a Silver server. It's supposed to like go through code really quickly for you.
Oh.
Webhook run.
The docs not say webhook secret looks like foo.
Webhook run just referenced the webhook secret. Doesn't actually, it's...
Sure, I'm going to triggers getting started. I'm thinking we got this getting started secret from somewhere.
I have a feeling it was Duan. He had it like in his back pocket.
Nah.
Sure. No, I really do. I really think so. I don't think we actually ever...
There it is. What's that? Go up.
What?
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
But it doesn't tell us that it's encoded.
True.
So we need to just update that. It's not a new section. It's update.
Okay.
Encode your new personal access token, I think.
Yep. This is under change till that. Run GitHub web. There we go.
Yep.
Sorry?
I think it may be time. Is it time to... We've made the secret. Oh, we need to make the secret of your new token, don't you, JJ?
Good call.
You probably the old one. So let's go ahead and do that.
All right. Put up the secret bars so nobody can see it. Then...
Yep. So JJ is just going to create a new personal access token using the GitHub UI and the developer settings. And then he's going to base64 encode that and put it in his string data and then token. That's going to go in there.
And we need to give it public repo and admin repo hook.
So yeah, public repo, admin repo hook as per the doc. Yep.
Okay.
Right. And then when you've done that, JJ, we're going to talk about the ingress secret that was missing last week, 2 weeks ago, that made things really difficult. And as you said, that's kind of the pinnacle of, what the problem was. Yep. So JJ just done an echo of the actual token pipe base64, and that's encoded it for him. He's just put that into the webhook -secret under the token field. And again, by the time you watch this, hopefully it'll open a PR and it'll all be in the documentation. He's also encoding the random string data secret. So it used to be like, modal. Now it's that, but encoded as well.
And we should be good. There we go.
Okay. Well done, JJ. I think we did good. So what was the ingress secret? Can you remember? 2 weeks ago.
That was the cluster. We pulled that guy, which is the secret that we exported, which was one of the first things we said, right here.
Does it just need to be in the same namespace, or do you have to configure something to point to that secret?
No, we do. If we do the export of the, as we say at the very beginning, what we're going to talk about as the export OYAML, and then change the namespace and then re-import it. Yeah. That should get you the ingress secret, so we can talk to it. So everything kind of lines up for the ingress subdomain.
But you don't have to reference it in any of the task rules.
That's a good question.
If you do a grep on that ingress secret value, JJ.
Oh, good call. TLS secret.
What's that? What's TLS secret? Remind us.
That is the secret again.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the exported TLS secret that we did.
Okay.
So we didn't actually have to reference it anywhere?
But does anything use it?
No, it looks like it doesn't. We just have to put it in the correct. We just have to take the secret and put it in there.
Okay. No.
And it looks like because we have the ingress run and the webhook run, that looks like it works how we expect it to.
So are we ready to do kapply-f getting started webhook run.yaml?
I believe so.
I believe so. And hopefully it goes green first time, and then we can do a little bit of fiddling with the figures setup, and probably off stream or maybe on stream, do a nice little PR.
Yes.
4 or so changes. And we can show people, going through Prow and building it and doing little validations, and hopefully making its way into the main branch.
So here we go, putting the webhook secret in. So now the webhook secret has been created.
Okay.
Get secret, just to verify, 5 seconds, perfect.
Yep.
So now we should be able to do kapply-f docs getting started. Webhook run?
Yep, that's the one. Do that, and then let's watch that task run again. Oh, going straight to GitHub, brave. Okay, it's just running. If you want to do a watch pods, maybe. Okay, get your.
Oh, damn it.
Oh yeah, you can't use the alias in a subshell, I guess.
Completed.
I like how your Fedora one's never gone away, by the way.
Oh yeah. I just
nearly 4,000 restarts.
Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, it hasn't gone.
Yeah, forever.
We haven't. No, it's not showing up.
It's still going, I bet.
It says complete. Oh, one. No.
Remember, if you get that as the logs, I bet you 1 cent I'm not encouraging gambling. It says error. No, it says success. 401. That's not successful, is it? I'm just going to say 401, but it won't tell you like the real error. That's my prediction. Remember, it's never kget, it's always just klogs. Then the pod.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, klogs on. Is there a webhook pod up there somewhere? Maybe it's called get create.
Great.
Yep, that's the one.
Oh, damn it.
Definitely wasn't
Come on.
Definitely using generate names to get a little unique thing on the end.
Yeah. There you
Ah, bad credentials. Okay, I'm mistaken. It did tell us.
go. Huh.
Now, remember last time Andrew said he's been coded, but we did encode it, didn't we?
You did encode it. Yeah. So this was
Correct repository. If you go up a little bit, JJ, does it try to do the post to JJ Asgar, not to like Ian Coffey?
Yeah, we lost you, by the way. You're really soft now.
Yes, there's the 401 unauthorized. There, I guess it's gone to the right place. Gone to your repo. Cool. Yeah, I guess we done goofed on the secret.
Okay, so create. Oops. Create. Where does it apply actually? So we tried to do
This one?
this one.
Yeah.
Ah! By the way, your sound, like you moved the mic or something. You're really soft now.
I'm really soft.
Yeah. Webhook secret.
Like less soft now.
No, actually, you're still really, you're a lot less than you were earlier.
Oh, let me fix that.
Huh.
Hello.
Hey, there we go. It's a little bit better.
That's if I move it like really close. I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah, if you want to see, this is how close my mic is. Like it's like right. It's just a handful away from my.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're showing folks our secret. And is that a space after the word token, JJ? Or is that two spaces?
That's one.
Oh, damn.
There was an extra space at the end, no.
Was there?
Yeah.
Whoa. Controversial. Could be it.
Gotcha.
Okie doke. And then again, I'm running that.
It was quite this one. So
Yep.
we want to.
Yep. And folks could use tk at this point to create that, and you get a nice little follow logs option instead of doing the get pods.
Wait.
kget.tr, JJ? Do kget.tr for task runs. Okay, couldn't get tasks.
Oh.
That's the old one. That's so last year. Okay, it's using the same name task run, isn't it? I think it's not using the name. So yeah, it tried to configure it, and that doesn't actually rerun the task, as far as I know. So that's a bit of a pain. So if you do k-delete and then do a k-apply, you could probably do a pull request to make it use generate name, not name. So instead of create webhook run, it'd be create webhook run 1, 2, 3, and then next time it might be 4, 5, 6.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, at the same time, if you got everything set up properly, you only have to run this once.
Yeah, but let's be honest, who's going to start properly the first time?
Me.
I don't. Said nobody ever. Okay, so let's see what's in there. 5 seconds. Wow.
There we go.
Did it work?
No.
Nah. Is there some error above? Bad
credentials again.
credentials. You're just giving it garbage. Are you sure that token was the right token?
I mean, yeah. I mean, all right. So echo that. Oh no, is it because echo?
No, don't put quotes around it. No, I don't need quotes. No.
Okay.
Yep, go. Is that the secret in your file?
Docs getting. And then, was it the real secret?
The real secret? Oh, no, it matches. What a nightmare.
Hmm. How did we get this wrong?
So they're pointing to the right place. They've encoded the secret.
Hmm.
Is it not encoded? Nah, it is encoded. It's definitely encoded. Last time
So if
we
we,
2 weeks ago, it was encoded.
yeah, if we do this, and then base 64
Yeah,
dash
B
dash
code, yeah.
D code.
Yeah. Does
And
that
then
match
just
your Max yours? By the way, folks, please don't go onto JJ's GitHub.
oh, I have it literally at the delete button. As soon as something weird happens, I'm just gonna hit the delete button right
Yeah,
there.
please be gentle to us. Please don't.
All right, so I'm stumped, man.
Is that definitely your token?
Yeah.
That's a magic trick. Is this your token? Maybe you're just not encoding it correctly. Maybe the command base64 doesn't encode it. I think it does.
Yeah, it's got to.
Why don't you go onto that website, base64 encode? Just Google that. There's a really nice. I used to use it years ago and I didn't know the command. And we'll paste in your token, and we'll see if it gets the right value. That's the one, the classic. We used to use all the time. Right. Yep, you're encoding. Yep, click on that. There's an extra equal sign.
And it's a completely different.
It's also different.
It's completely different.
Okay, bit weird, but the start's the same. Interesting. So let's modify our secret.
Yeah, so obviously we got the wrong command. Well, maybe that's the reason why the command isn't on the thing, is because it's wrong.
Yeah. Maybe we tell people, go onto that website and encode your secret. Okay, that's better.
Okay, and then
we apply that.
Delete. Apply. Okay, get pause. Okay, pause. Pause. This one had failed out almost instantly.
Wait, what? Can you mind what you just did there? Did you create the secret again and do the task run again?
So I deleted the run. I applied the.
Where did you apply the secret though? You just modified the secret on disk. You didn't apply that file.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
I was daydreaming a little bit, thinking, is my date going to just turn up without telling me? And I'd have to end stream it early. I wasn't paying attention. And now I'm back to this, I thought, yeah, should be this.
All right. I always do it.
You have to just remember it's not a resource. Bad credentials. Is this the right one? Bad credentials?
Yeah.
No. Say it ain't so.
What the? Oh my goodness. All right. Well, yeah. Well, okay. So you know what's gonna happen here. All right. Here, let me send you this, and I want you. I'm going to send it through Slack, and I want you to try this yourself once. Just humor me and go through the steps, and then where are you? So there we go. You try it yourself on this machine, and then being that we have less than 10 minutes left before you got to go, what I will do is
Prep the PR.
I'll start working on the PR, and I'll keep the stream going, or no, I'll stop the stream, but at the 10 minutes. But then I will get the PR going, and I will publish, and I will send out a tweet with the replay link of this with the PR when it gets pushed up. How about that?
Yep, no, like a plan.
Is that a reasonable thing?
Yeah.
Because you know, in the world we live in right now, I cannot keep you from the opportunity to spend time with other humans face in real life. That would be just wrong.
It'd be really nice if we could just encode this secret, JJ.
Well, you know, that might be asking a little too much right now.
I'm doing the same thing as you. So I'm literally, oh, look at that. Right. Token is that. Secret is that. Do that. Great. And then configure you getting started. Right. Then delete task runs. And then apply the webhook run. There we go. And then get pods. We're up here somewhere. Do the grep. We create. Completed. Get the logs. Bad credentials. JJ, is your token being made no longer valid by any chance?
I mean, I can give you another one.
Yep, okay.
Hang on. Delete. Yes. Create. And again, just to verify, it is public repo and admin repo hook.
Yep.
Okay. Create token.
Yep.
Copy. Paste. There you go.
Yep, and I'm encoding that as we speak. Okay, I've just done that. I'm now updating the secret. So I'm going to here, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to do DD, and I'm going to go back. Right, there you go. Cool. I'm going to apply you, the real secret. Right, done that. And I'm going to delete any existing test runs. I'm going to kick off the webhook run again. Here we go. Then we're going to do get pods. Again, pipe create. Here we are.
Oh, that one's taking. That one didn't stop instantly.
Did it work? Bad credentials.
What?
It just doesn't work anymore. Are we in the right namespace? Oh. Okay, get secrets.
Yeah. Wait, 15 minutes ago.
Really? My C key just refuses.
Yeah.
Okay, it's now it's working. We'll pipe more. I think I went past it at the top. Secret, and then the token. Does that match what I copied? No, it doesn't. Nope. The actual encoded token starts with a Y, ends in 2 equal signs.
That is completely wrong.
What? We gotta delete that secret. And where am I? Am I definitely in the right namespace?
Yeah.
But Kubernetes comes up with that. Is that just like?
Yeah, it's just a. selector. There it is, tekton pipelines.
Okay, 'cause it's green. Okay, fine. Okay. There you go. Worked.
What?
Check your webhooks. Please. Apparently it worked.
Nope.
Well, I say it worked. I didn't see that error. So let me just do more of that. Let's just have a check. So we connected to github.com. We always seem to end up with like weird issues. The golden
Streaming
path
for
is
you.
not a golden path.
It's really not. Bad credentials.
Oh no. But it wasn't at the end. Or am I just blind? I didn't see it down here.
It looks like it tried again.
I forget the secret again. That's the wrong value. Token.
Is it based encoding it again? 64 encoding it again?
That's a good point. If I put that through the decoder, I'm just putting it through the website again. Yep. It is. So maybe it's not base4 encoded.
Maybe because we saw it, we thought we did it that way.
Okay.
All right, bring it up. Yeah, bring it up and put the webhook secret in there again with the actual token.
Okay.
What the hell, man?
So this time we ordered a non-encoded token, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
This means the docs were right and 2 weeks ago didn't really happen. But 2 weeks ago did happen.
Maybe it was the secret we needed to base encode it.
Oh yeah, true, maybe.
But we wouldn't know because it's.
This could be the one, JJ.
Am I going crazy?
Have we all gone crazy?
I think we are. Like, this doesn't make any sense, man.
It doesn't. So webhook run. Oh, the other create. Show Fedora pod. It's bringing down the listing. Okay, logs. Hey, this looks different.
Yeah.
You have a webhook.
What the hell, man?
Hey. So it wasn't encoded.
Okay.
Does it go green? Does it go green?
So we don't need.
You encode one, not the other.
Well, I mean, it's just arbitrary string, right? The secret.
Oh yeah. Why do we even encode that?
Yeah, we don't even need to do that.
Yeah. That means the docs are good for secret creation. Is this green?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, look, the secret is just arbitrary. So yeah, we don't. It turns out, yeah, we don't have to encode it at all. We should probably make a note saying don't encode this because the thing doesn't.
2 weeks ago we went down this route, but is your webhook now green, JJ?
No, because we don't have the ingress, right?
We deal with the ingress. I created the ingress one earlier, remember? If I do k get ingress at the top window.
I'm sorry, here, I'll get you there.
Yeah, you're right, I've got no ingress. So now if I do ingress run.yaml.
Yeah.
Okay, and then can you redeliver that webhook? Or I do a push to the repository. Yeah, you can do a push because there's nothing to redeliver, I guess. So just change the README. And then we have all the steps finally figured out.
I don't feel like I know what we did though.
I got a good idea. Basically copy the ingress secret after getting the secret instead of.
Oh, it's a push. We got to do an actual push to it. Hang on.
Not just to commit to the README.
Yeah. Can't.
What? I thought you did a commit on the README on GitHub.
Yeah, but it's not a push though. We got to push
Oh.
to the re.
No, it is. It is a push. That should work.
It is?
Yeah,
No.
it should work.
Nope.
Yeah, but it should.
Yeah.
It should definitely work.
Oh no! What the?
Yeah, AEOU.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you did commit.
Commit directly to master.
Yeah. So I'm wondering if oh, much computer man. If I
hang
do
on. There you go. Back on the.
cool. If I just do kget.el, do we have any pods that like handle the actual event itself? Yeah,
Event
we do.
display.
This
event
one
listener.
here. If I do klogs that. That's always, that's just, we ignore that. Working level set. Do we have any trigger bindings? Do we have any pipeline runs? Task runs? But we made the webhook. Oh, has the ingress changed? You see this?
Yes.
This
Yes. This one is oh shit. No. It said event listener. This is demo.
So if you to change that to event-listener, just for now, yeah, so change it on your GitHub for now. Cool, and then update, and then just doing a little push again. Hopefully that then goes green. I don't know if you can hear those birds.
Oh yeah.
There's a feast in the field. Wow. So did that actually trigger it at the bottom?
No.
So event-listener, is the rest of it correct, JJ? It ends in 40.US South. We just compare the URL. No,
Yeah.
it's different. It's not 706.821. Starts the event-listener, ends in .appdomain.cloud, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and if I just get the logs again for the listener over on my little teamwork session, there's nothing new popping up.
Can we curl?
Yeah, can you kill that? Yeah, go ahead.
Something happened.
Ah,
Oh wait, no.
good.
No. This is the 4.0. It's not listening.
Yeah, that's when you've not. I thought that's when you've not done the secret. It displays the little default 4.4 page because it's not routing to the EL and then to the underlying service. So it's not hitting the ingress, is it?
So that's the ingress secret right there. So if we do.
Yeah, but it's like it's not routing it through to the event listener.
So. Damn it.
We'll have to head off in 1 minute, JJ, so hopefully we'll give it one more try and then wrap things up.
Well, that's new.
So we do have a TLS secret. You think the secret might have changed since 2 weeks?
Yeah. Well, no. Please apply your changes to the latest version and try again. So hold on. So if we do get secret webhook OYAML out.yaml and out.yaml, come down here. And as default. Tekton pipelines. YAML. YAML. Oh God. Okay, that's fine. I'll keep hacking on this. Maybe I can come back to it later. Adam, can we lose you?
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll still work on my PR. And I'll stop the stream. Do you wanna wrap up by saying anything?
Yeah, I can do. I think, we tried to go down the golden path again, but something's bit us. I'm not sure what at this point. As you can see, it happens. We go through a getting started page and we thought we had it all figured out, but our assumptions were wrong and it's worth double checking.
It's also possible we had it because the cluster was in a dirty state, right? Because we had stuff in there. Maybe there's something sticking around that we didn't know about or something like that. So, okay.
Maybe, I think either way, it's probably going to be maybe the conclusion for Tekton related streams directly using Tekton anyway. I'm thinking next time we might try Jenkins X. So maybe we'll try, using it from scratch and writing a pipeline or run some examples. I think it uses Tekton under the covers for its pipelines. I'm not sure. That'd be really cool to do, actually. We'll figure out the bottom of this issue, do a PR, I guess. And then, yeah, hopefully look at Jenkins X, see some cool things.
Sounds wonderful. All right. Yep. Well, thanks, Adam. And if you are watching this live, we target every other week. So not this week, which is the 1st. We are targeting my calendar would move, the 8th to do this again. So hopefully you can join us again and tell your friends, because we always like to have a conversation while we're doing this.
Yeah, and hopefully things just work out the box, but let's be honest, they probably won't. So
thanks for jinxing us. Thanks for jinxing us.
I've done a backwards jinx. If I say it won't work, maybe it will.
There you go. All right, you have a good day, sir.
Thanks, folks. See you later. Bye.